Today, I'm going to teach Michael how to make this really cool little pump that pumps up water balloons out of this random junk. Are you ready to go, Michael?
I'm going to try.
Well, let's get started. First thing you're going to need, get your syringe. We've all seen these syringes at the doctor's. Are you ready, Michael?
I'm ready.
Take out the end. Put it down. Don't need that just yet. You're going to need your little fitting here, available from the website. Today, I want you to place the syringe into the end, just like so. While holding that little piece in there, just get the pencil and just push it down. The reason for this is it's going to put it exactly the right spot, which I'll show you a little trick in a minute. Just give them a little push down and you're going to end up with a little hole. Take it out. Now, this is very important. This is the sort of thing I forget each time. Take the little ball bearing, put it inside the syringe. Take that long piece of tube. Now, let's put it over the fitting. It's just a little irrigation fitting. Make sure the ball bearing goes back in at all times. Have you got the ball bearing in, Michael?
Yes.
Take the little irrigation fitting thing we just did on the tube.
Yes.
Screw it into the hole that we just pushed. Just give it a push in and twist it clockwise. Which way, Michael?
Clockwise.
Twist it clockwise, round and round and round and round until it goes tightish. Double check, is the ball bearing in there?
Yes.
Turn the tube so it sits. Oh, okay. Now, in the kit, you'll find a rubber band. Rubber band goes over the end, wraps it around. They'll hold it in place. That's all that rubber band does. Put two little loops if you want to make it a bit tighter. Now, place the syringe back in. The syringe goes up and down, up and down, up and down. But it won't work yet. Take the other ball bearing and put it down inside the tube so it sits there and rolls around and around and around. But as you're going to say, I know exactly what you're thinking there, Michael.
What?
You're thinking that could also fall out.
It could, look at
And
that.
yes, it could.
Ah.
And yes, it did. What can we do to stop it from falling out? I'm going to tell you. We're going to take a stapler about 1 centimetre up the tube, away from that ball bearing. We're just going to put 2 staples. If you notice, I didn't push them all the way through like a normal stapler. I just pushed them in a little bit. You'll soon see that the job of those 2 staples is just to hold the ball bearing from coming out when you pump. Okay? Now, get a bit of a shape. Does the ball bearings move freely inside? In the kit, you'll find this little black thing. That's the suction tube. Take the little black piece and just slide it over the end of the syringe. And that's so it can suck up out of the cup. Now, to hold the balloon on, there's a little fitting in there, looks like a jug or so. Take that and put that over the end of the tube. By the looks of it, that's pretty well finished the pump. If you put that into water now and prime it, that'll start working now. But wait, there's more to do. In the kit, you'll find this little piece of foam with stickiness on one side. Take the lid of the cup, take off the sticky part of the foam, and just place it on the middle or in the center of the cup. Grab the pencil. Now, this doesn't have to be exact, but just roughly in the center, we're going to punch a hole. Put your fingers, 2 fingers either side of it like so. Give it a push through. Take the syringe, put it through from the top, pushing down, give it a little squeeze in. On top of the cup. Finished.
Finished already.
Finished.
Wow.
The balloon will now fit over the end. All right, Michael. Now, we've done it. It's been tested. Let's go downstairs and do the challenge. First one to make the pump
Gets to throw a balloon at the other person.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh no.
It's called experience.
Oh no.
I like to win. It's going up against the master.
No. No.
I win. Bye. Next.